Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to explore 5 smart strategies for generating passive income. If you're looking for ways to make money passively, this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model in which you promote products or services from other people or companies and receive a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. You can find affiliate programs in a variety of industries, from physical products to online services. It is essential to select products or services that are relevant to your audience and align with the theme of your content. This will increase the chances of generating sales and conversions. To promote products effectively, it is advisable to create valuable and honest content that highlights the benefits and solutions they provide. You can also use digital marketing strategies, such as using social media, blogs, or videos, to reach your target audience and generate traffic to your affiliate links. You can use various affiliate marketing platforms. Among the most popular ones are Amazon Affiliate Program, AliExpress Affiliate Program, Shine, Hotmart, ClickBank, etc. In the video description, I leave you a course where you can learn how to use these platforms to start making money today. Number 2. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products are intangible products that are delivered in digital format, such as ebooks, online courses, templates, software, etc. By creating and selling digital products, you can generate passive income, since once the products are created, you can sell them repeatedly without incurring additional production or shipping costs. To be successful in selling digital products, it is essential to identify profitable niches and unmet demands in the market. Conduct market research. Study your audience and find out what problems or needs you can solve with your digital products. Content quality is key to attract and retain your customers. Make sure you offer valuable, well-structured, and easy-to-understand content. You can include practical examples, case studies, and additional resources to add value to your digital products. Use online platforms, such as your own website, social media, or digital product distribution platforms, to promote and sell your products. Also, consider collaborating with influencers or running marketing campaigns to increase visibility and sales. Number 3. Stock investments and dividends. Investing in stocks and receiving dividends is a popular way to generate passive income. When you buy shares in companies, you become a part owner of the company and, as a shareholder, you can receive periodic dividends, which are the profits distributed to shareholders. When investing in stocks, it is important to conduct thorough research, evaluate the financial strength of companies, and diversify your portfolio. In addition, it is advisable to have a long-term perspective and reinvest dividends to boost your passive income through compound interest. Remember to be careful when making these types of investments. In the video description, I have left you a course where you will learn how to invest in the stock market and generate great dividends from scratch. Since you have reached this point of the video, let me invite you to subscribe to the channel, leave a like. Remember that in Entrepreneurship 2.0 we talk about financial topics, which surely you may be interested. Number 4. Online business and content monetization. Online businesses offer a wide range of opportunities to generate passive income. You can start an online store, a blog, a YouTube channel, or offer online services, among other options. The key is to create valuable content and attract an audience that is interested in what you have to offer. Identify profitable niches and unmet demands online. Research what type of content, products, or services can meet those needs and offer unique solutions. This will allow you to attract an engaged audience willing to invest in your business. There are a variety of ways to monetize your online content, such as advertising through ad programs, selling products or services, promoting affiliate products, creating memberships, or conducting sponsorships. Number 5. Real estate investments. Real estate investments are an excellent way to generate passive income. They consist of acquiring properties, whether residential or commercial, to earn income through rent or appreciation in the value of the property. By investing in real estate, you can benefit from steady cash flows and increases in the value of your properties over the long term. There are several ways to invest in real estate, from buying residential properties and renting them on a long-term basis, to acquiring commercial real estate and earning income from the businesses that occupy them. In addition, you can participate in real estate investment funds that allow you to diversify your portfolio and profit from large-scale projects. It is important to research and understand the real estate market, choose strategic locations, evaluate growth potential, and look for properties with a good income-to-expense ratio. You should also consider having proper management in place, either through professionals or by automating processes to minimize the workload. And so far we have come with today's video. I hope you liked it. Do not forget to share and stay tuned to the series of videos that we will publish.